I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In the last classes, we have seen that problems on the Fourier series, and we will see some problems on the Fourier series in the arbitrary period. So previously we have seen the problems on the period 2 pi. It should be either 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi. In today's class, we are going to see problems on the arbitrary period. Right. What is that arbitrary period? Already I told that arbitrary period means 0 to 2L. 0 to 2L or minus L to plus L. So that is arbitrary period. So now just I am writing here problems on problems on arbitrary period. Arbitrary period. Problems on arbitrary period. So arbitrary period is nothing but that. Just we will take it as here 2L. 2L, the length of the period should be 2L. So in this one, either minus L to plus L or 0 to 2L or 0 to 2L. Any one interval we will consider here. Now, how do you simplify the problems in this? Already I have given the formulas, how do you write and how do you simplify also. Now, problem in this, problem using this method in arbitrary period, find the Fourier series, find the Fourier series of f of x equal to pi x, and next one should be pi into 2 minus x, pi into 2 minus x in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 in 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and also show that the Fourier expansion of the function f of x is pi by 2 minus 4 by pi into cos x cos pi x divided by 1 square plus cos 3 pi x divided by 3 square plus cos pi x divided by 5 square plus and so on. You have to find this. So how do you find this one? Solution. What is the solution is nothing but we can take this problem. So first we can take whenever the given interval should be arbitrary interval. So how do you identify arbitrary interval? Means if the numbers comes, that is arbitrary. Without pi comes either minus pi to plus pi or 0 to 2 pi. Without that one, if it comes 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 0 to 2 numbers will come, means then I can say that it should be arbitrary interval. Whenever the arbitrary interval will come, if it starts from 0 to and ends with whatever the number, if it starts from 0 and ends with whatever the number, it is 0 to 2L. The interval is of the form, closed interval of 0, open interval of 2L. Now, whenever the arbitrary interval is there, means we can equate 2L equal to upper limit minus lower limit. What is that? Upper limit should be 2, lower limit should be over 0. 2L equal to 2 minus 0. So 2L equal to 2, L equal to 1. This is the value of that, L equal to 1. If L is 1 means, how can I see whatever the interval they will give, either 0 to 2, 0 to 2L or minus 5 to plus 5, whatever they will give. So we can take, whatever they will give, we can take the interval in this format. So first we will find 2L equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So if you take upper limit minus lower limit, then what you will get, the difference you can find. So the difference 2L equal to 2, then L equal to what value you will get, you have to find. Right, actually you should find out that L value. How do you check the given function is even function or odd function? To check the given function is even or odd, we have to check. How do you check this one? Given function is even or odd means, I will take first pi x is there, so one should be pi of x equal to pi x. Psi of x equal to pi into 2 minus x. This is psi of x. Now replace x by 2L minus x. Why 2L minus x? Interval is 0 to 2L. That's the way. Replace x by 2L minus x. What is the value of L? L is nothing but 1. So if L is 1 means 2 into 1 should be 2. Replace x by 2L minus x means 2 minus x. Now, in pi of x, pi of 2 minus x equal to, we will put in the place of pi, in the place of x, we will put 2 minus x. Now, pi of 2 minus x equal to, what is that pi of 2 minus x? I got it. So, pi of 2 minus x, what is that pi of 2 minus x only should be psi of x. Already I told that if pi of 2 minus x equal to psi of x means, I can say that f of x is even function. F of x is even function. When f of x is even function means we have to find a naught an. F of x is even function means we have to find a naught and an. F of x is even function means even function. So we have to find a naught comma an and bn equal to 0. F of x is even function, so we have to find a naught comma an and bn equal to 0. How do you write even function means a naught equal to, here the given interval. Before writing a naught, I will write here f of x equal to, before writing this, I will write f of x equal to, I will write a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sine n pi x by L. Bn into sine n pi x by L. What is the value of L? Here see, we know that the value of L is nothing but here 1. Now I can write f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x I will write. L is nothing but 1 now, n by xl by 1 is 1 only, plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sine n pi x by L is nothing but 1, n pi x by 1. Now I will write f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sine n pi x. Now I'll write a naught equal to 2 by L into integration of 0 to L f of x into dx. This only I'll write a naught equal to 2 by L is 2 by 1. Integration of 0 to L is 0 to 1 f of x into dx. This is the value of a naught. Next, an equal to 2 by L into integration of 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. L is what? an equal to 2 by 1 into integration of 0 to 1 into f of x into cos n pi x into dx. Cos n pi x into dx. L is 1. Now we will write a naught equal to 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is 2. A naught equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 1 f of x into dx. What is that f of x should be? A naught equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 1. In 0 to 1, you can see carefully, in 0 to 1, what is the value of f of x? 0 to 1, f of x should be pi of x, only I will write that only. If in 1 to 2 is that means I have to write this. In 0 to 1, the value of f of x is pi of x. Now I will write here pi of x, 2 into pi of x into dx. Now a naught equal to 2 into pi, I will take outside, integration of x dx should be x square by 2. Limit should be 0 to 1. A naught equal to 2 pi into integration of this one should be 1 square by 2 minus 0. Now a naught equal to pi. A naught equal to pi. This is a naught value. Now I will find an. Now I can find it. This is the value of next one should be an is nothing but next an we have to find. an equal to 2 by L. 2 by L is nothing but 2 by 1 into integration of 0 to L should be 0 to 1. F of x into cos n pi x into dx. In 0 to 1, the value of f of x is 2 by 1 is 2. Integration of 0 to 1, f of x should be what? Pi x into cos of n pi x into dx. Now if I will take this, I will take pi outside, an equal to 2 pi I will take outside. So whatever the integration symbol should be 0 to 1 x into cos n pi x into dx. This is u and this one should be dv. Now I will write an equal to 2 pi into integration by parts we will apply. This one should be x. Integration of cos n pi x is nothing but sin n pi x divided by n pi. Integration of cos is nothing but sin n pi x by n pi minus differentiation of x is 1 minus cos n pi x divided by n pi whole square. Limit should be 0 to 1. Now I will write an equal to 2 pi into, I will write 1 by n pi into x into sin n pi x, limit should be 0 to 1, plus 1 divided by n square into pi square. I will write this one should be cos n pi x, limit should be 0 to 1. Now an equal to 2 pi. So this term will become vanishes to 0 because the limit should be 0 to 1 is there. Either if you apply 0 or 1, so this one will become sin n pi equal to sin 0 equal to 0 only will get. Now that's the way, first term will vanishes, only the term should be 1 by n square into pi square. First I will apply upper limit, cos n pi x is there, cos n pi I will apply, minus cos 0 I will apply, lower limit should be cos 0. Now I will get an equal to 2 pi into 1 divided by n square into pi square, cos n pi should be minus 1 power n, cos 0 should be 1. Now this one should be, if we cancel this, an equal to pi get cancel means 2 divided by n square pi. Pi cancel means pi square is there, 2 divided by n square pi into minus 1 power n minus 1. This is the value of an. an equal to 2 divided by n square pi minus 1 power n minus 1. This is the value of an. Now, if I simplify this, bn value should be already removed at 0, so not required to find. So only we should have to find this one only. Now this is a naught, an I found out. So f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x. bn into sin n pi x. F of x is nothing but a naught is nothing but pi divided by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 2 divided by n square pi into minus 1 power n minus 1 into cos n pi x. bn value should be 0. Now I will write f of x equal to f of x equal to See here, just I'll take whatever the common terms I'll take outside. F of x equal to pi by 2 plus, now I'll take here what the term is there, the term I'll take out. So 2 divided by pi I'll take outside. 2 divided by pi I will take outside. Remaining terms I'll keep as it is. Of x equal to 2 divided by pi I'll take. Summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n minus 1 divided by n square into cos n pi x minus 1 power n minus 1 divided by cos n pi x is there. Now, if I'll expand this, here I'll write here, see, one logic we can use. This is n equal to 1 here. So it is mixed with the bracket. Now we know that minus 1 power n minus 1 value should be, if we give n equal to 1, it should be minus 2 it will come. If we give n equal to 1, it will come, see, if n equal to 1 means minus 2, when n equal to 1, n equal to 3, 5, 7 like that. N equal to 2, if we give minus 1 square is plus 1, it will become 0, n equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. N equal to 1, 3, 5 if n means n equal to 1, minus 1 should be minus 2. N equal to 3 means minus 2. N equal to 5 means minus 2. N equal to 2 it will give minus 1 square should be plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 should be 0. Minus 1 power 4 is nothing but plus 1 minus 1 should be 0. We'll get like that. So now f of x equal to pi by 2 plus 2 by pi. Now if we'll expand this, I'll write the summation on this C. Remaining cases it will become 0. I'll write n equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on I'll write. I'm not including 2, 4, 6 that one to infinity. But that minus 1 power n minus 1 value should be minus 2 in these cases divided by n square into cos n pi x. Now I write f of x equal to pi by 2 plus 2 by pi into, we will multiply this, so what we will get here, 2 is there, so if we will take minus 2 also I will take outside, we give this 1 by 1 square into cos pi x plus 1 by 3 square into cos 3 pi x plus 1 by 5 square into cos 5 pi x plus and so on. Now I will write f of x equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by pi into 1 by 1 square into cos pi x plus 1 by 3 square into cos 3 pi x plus 1 by 5 square into cos 5 pi x plus and so on, which is the required solution for the given equation. Which is the required solution for the given equation. This is required to prove already in the given problem also. This only they have given. This only they have given in the given problem also. Minus 4 by pi, pi by 2 minus 4 by pi. F of x is given, f of x equal to that only. Cos pi x by 1 square, cos pi 3 by x by 3 square, cos pi 5x by 5 square. So, which is the required solution for the given equation. Obtain the Fourier series. Next problem is arbitrary interval. Obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series. The Fourier series for the function. For the function f of x equal to 1 plus 4x by 3. Next function should be 1 minus 4x by 3. 1 minus 4x by 3 in minus 3 by 2 less than x less than or equal to 0 in 0 less than or equal to x less than 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Hence deduce that, hence deduce that pi square by 8 equal to pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on, which is the required solution. So now, how do you find this? You can take, first we have to check what type of interval they are given. See, if you see the interval, here minus 2 plus it is coming. Whenever the interval should be minus 2 plus means, so it is minus 2 plus, whatever it may be, minus pi 2 plus pi or minus L2 plus L or minus 2 plus is that means replace x by minus x. Now, solution, given interval is minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2 because endpoints are not included in this interval. Here only strictly less than is there. So minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. Now L equal to, so interval length, how do you find? 2L equal to, upper limit should be 3 by 2 minus lower limit should be minus 3 by 2. Now we get 2L equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So now 2L equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 3. So L equal to 3 by 2. This is the value of L equal to 3 by 2. If L is 3 by 2 means L is 3 by 2. Then how do you find even function and odd function? We have to check. Now to check even or odd functions, to check even or odd functions, how do you check even or odd function means? We'll replace x by minus x. Why I can replace x by minus x? Because interval should be minus L to plus L is there. Now if we replace here, pi of x should be, what is that? Pi of x equal to 1 plus 4x by 3. We'll replace here, pi of minus x equal to 1 plus 4 into minus x divided by 3. So that equal to 1 minus 4x by 3. 1 minus 4x by 3. So now pi of minus x equal to psi of x. Pi of minus x equal to psi of x. So the time you will get pi of x equal to this one, psi of x means I can say that f of x is even function. Even function. Suppose minus psi of x if I will get means, here minus psi of x if I will get means, I can say that that is odd function. Now it is even function, I got it. So now whenever even function means, what are the terms you have to find means, we have to find a naught, comma an and bn equal to 0. A naught equal to, so here L value also I found out, already I told that a naught, so before writing a naught, I'll write f of x equal to, what is that formula? You know that f of x formula, what is that f of x formula is nothing but f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by L. The value of L is f of x equal to, we know that a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L. L is nothing but 3 by 2. If you will put this, cos of n pi x by L is nothing but 3 by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by L is 3 by 2. Now f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos 2n pi x divided by 3 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin 2n pi x divided by 3. Now, this is f of x. Now I will write a naught equal to 2 by L. I will write 2 by L into integration of 0 to L f of x into dx. Now this only I will write a naught equal to 2 by L is 2 divided by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Integration of 0 to L is 3 by 2 into f of x into dx. Now I will write a naught equal to 4 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 by 2 f of x into dx. Now an equal to 2 by L into integration of 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Now an equal to 2 by L is 2 divided by 3 by 2 integration of 0 to 3 by 2 f of x into cos n pi x by L is 3 by 2 into dx. Now this only I will write an equal to formulas just I am simplifying in and telling an equal to 2 divided by 3 by 2 is 4 by 3 integration of 0 to 3 by 2 f of x into cos of 2n pi x by 3 into dx. Now solution C a naught equal to, what is a naught formula? Already I simplified and written a naught equal to 4 by 3 into a naught equal to 4 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 by 2 into f of x into dx. Now a naught equal to 4 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 by 2. In 0 to 3 by 2, the value of f of x in 0 to 3 by 2, the value of f of x is 1 minus 4x by 3. 1 minus 4x by 3. 1 minus 4x by 3 into dx. Now I will write 4 by 3 into integration of dx is x minus 4x square by 2 into 3. Limit should be 0 to 3 by 2. 4 by 3 into x minus 4x square. This one if I simplify, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So now we get 4 by 3 into, we get x is nothing but 3 by 2 into 2x square is nothing but minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole square. Now I will write 4 by 3 into, here 3 by 2 I will get, here 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole square, again I will get 1 3 by 2 only. If you can simplify, we will come to know that. So a naught equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 should be 0. A naught equal to, we will get it as 0. Next, an I am finding, an equal to, already I simply showed the formula. What is that formula? I know that an equal to 4 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 by 2 f of x into cos 2n pi x by 3. 4 by 3, an equal to 4 by 3 into integration of 0 to 3 by 2, 0 to 3 by 2, f of x is nothing but, in 0 to 3 by 2, the value of f of x, in 0 to 3 by 2, the value of f of x is 1 minus 4x by 3 into 1 minus 4x by 3 into cos 2n pi x by 3. Cos 2n pi x by 3 into dx. Now this is u and this one should be dv. an equal to 4 by 3 into, this one is u and this one should be dv. U is nothing but 1 minus 4x by 3. Integration of dv is v. V is nothing but sine of, integration of cos is nothing but sine of 2n pi x by 3 divided by 2n pi by 3 minus differentiation of 1 is 0, 4 minus 4x by 3 is nothing but minus 4 by 3. Integration of this should be minus cos of 2n pi x by 3 divided by 2n pi by 3 whole square. Limit should be, so next if I differentiate, this minus 4 by 3 will become 0. That's the way I stopped here, the process. 0 to 3 by 2. Now, I can write, this one I can simplify and I can write. an equal to 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into this 3 divided by 2n pi, I will write 3 divided by 2n pi, 3 divided by 2n pi, 3 divided by 2n pi, 1 minus 4x by 3 into sine 2n pi x by 3. 1 minus 4x by 3 into sine 2n pi x by 3. 2n pi x by 3 sine 2n pi x by 3 minus, this is minus, again minus, this one if you write reverse, 3 divided by 2n pi whole square. Next one I will write minus, here what is there, see here, 3 divided by 2n pi whole square, here minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3 into 3 divided by 2n pi whole square. We'll write like this, 4 by 3 into 3 divided by 2n pi whole square into cos 2n pi x by 3. Cos 2n pi x by 3. Already minus minus I multiplied, cos 2n pi x by 3. Cos 2n pi x by 3. Limit should be, here should be 0 to 3 by 2. Here should be 0 to 3 by 2. So totally you will get an equal to 4 by 3 into 3 divided by 2n pi. If you substitute, here say, I will put this one directly here, sine 0 is 0. If you put here 3 by 2, if you get 3 by 2, 3 get cancelled, 3 by 2, n pi you will get. Already we know that this one I will keep directly 0, minus 4 by 3 into, minus 4 by 3 into, here one bracket, one more bracket we have to use, 4 by 3 into 9 divided by 4 n square pi square into cos of 2n pi x divided by 3. Limit should be 0 to 3 by 2. Limit should be 0 to 3 by 2. Here I will write. So how I kept this one should be sine n pi equal to sine 0 equal to 0. Because of that, this term I kept 0 here. Because of that, I kept this term should be 0. Now, an equal to 4 by 3 I keep outside. Here 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 4 ones are, 4. This one should be divided by 3 divided by n square into pi square. 3 divided by n square pi square. Now write cos of x plus if you put 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled. Cos of n pi minus 3 by 2 if you keep means 2 get cancelled. Cos 3 get cancelled. Cos of n pi minus cos 0. Cos n pi minus cos 0. So an equal to 4 by 3 into 3 divided by n square into pi square. 3 get cancelled. Cos n pi should be minus 1 power n. Cos 0 should be minus 1. Now we write an equal to 4 divided by n square into pi square minus 1 power n minus 1. Minus 1. An equal to 4 divided by n square pi square into minus 1 power n into minus 1. This is the value of an. Now I will substitute in f of x. So f of x equal to a0 should be 0 by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity. Where I am substituting, I'll show you here. See, here I am substituting in this formula. If you substitute in this formula, an is nothing but what? Bn is 0. An is what? Bn is nothing but what you have to do. An is nothing but 4 divided by n square into pi square minus 1 power n minus 1 into cos. What is that cos? We know that the previous term should be cos 2n pi x by 3. Cos 2n pi x by 3. 2n pi x by 3 plus b term bn should be 0. So f of x equal to this one should be 0. Now I'll take just 4 by pi square out. I'll take here summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n into minus 1 minus n power 1 into minus 1 divided by n square into cos of 2n by x by 3 is there. Now, if you take this one, cos of 2n by x by 3, minus 1 power n minus 1 is equal to, minus 1, n equal to 1 means minus 2 you will get. N equal to 1, comma 3, comma 5 and so on. N equal to 1 it will give minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 1 is 0. So next one should be 0. N equal to 2, comma 4, comma 6 and so on. Now you get f of x equal to 4 divided by pi square into summation of this one should be right. Summation of n equal to 1, comma 3, comma 5 and so on. 4 pi square I took outside. This one should be minus 2 divided by n square into cos 2n pi x by 3. Cos 2n pi x by 3. Now if you give n equal to 1, what you will get you can see. N equal to 3, what you will get you have to see. So deduction we have to do. So how do you simplify that one? We can see. N equal to 1 and see, I will take this one. First I give in this expression summation n equal to 1, comma 3, comma 5. 2, 4, 6 it will become 0. So therefore just that one I will bring outside. I will bring outside, I will get f of x equal to minus 8 pi square summation of n equal to means n equal to 1 means 2 pi x by 3 cos 2 pi x by 3 in divided by 1 square plus cos 4 pi x. See here n equal to 3 means 3 get cancelled. Cos 2 pi x you will get divided by 3 square I will get. N equal to 5 I will give. It will give 5 means 10 pi x by 3. Cos 10 pi x by 3 divided by 5 square plus and so on you will get. F of x equal to minus 8 divided by pi square. Put x equal to 0 in f of x. If you give x equal to 0 in f of x equal to 0 lies in which interval? Can you say that? X equal to 0 lies in which interval means here we can come to know that here also it will lie, here also it will lie. 0 less than or equal to is there. X less than or equal to 0 is there. In both intervals it will lie. If you put x equal to 0 in any one of the interval, f of x is what is that? Here 0 you can keep. 1 minus 0 or 1 plus 0, whatever you will keep, so it will become as 1 only. It will become as 1. So, in f of x, then f of x equal to 1. Now, 8 minus pi square, x equal to 0 if you keep, so cos 2 pi x by 3. Cos 2 pi x by 3 means x equal to 0 means cos 0 divided by 1 square plus cos 0 divided by 3 square plus cos 0 divided by 5 square plus and so on. Now we will write f of x is 1 equal to minus 8 divided by pi square into cos 0 is 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus and so on. Now I will write pi square by 8. So I can write this one pi square by 8 equal to, we have to get pi square by 8 here. Here minus 8 by pi square I am getting. So somewhere we went this. So you will get, so this one should be, or the required result should be pi square by 8. Pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on. And so on you will get. So this is the required result we have to prove. This is the required result we have to prove here. Let's see, while writing this, here one minus symbol is there. I missed out that minus symbol. Here minus is there, cancellating, that missed out minus symbol. So because of that, it is coming in terms of plus. So you can change it here. So here I missed out that minus symbol. So if you put here, this one should be minus 4 by 3 you will get. Minus 4 by 3, this A naught equal to minus 4 by 3 will get. This is minus 4 by 3. Here also finally you will get, finally you will get here. So minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 you will get. So in answer also you have to put here. Directly you will get, what is that, plus 4 by pi square you can keep here, plus 4 by pi square. Next sheet you can take, here put, this is plus, this is also plus, this is also plus. So finally you will get pi square by 8. Just made that correction, so it will come in the same form only. Here I missed out that minus, because of that it is coming in that way. I missed out that minus. So finally you will get, the required result should be this only. So here also minus 4 by 3 you will get, minus 4 by 3. So which is the required solution for the given problem. Pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. So we come to know that how do you simplify that arbitrary interval problems.